All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Ondo Finance, give you all an update. Do you guys think this particular price is going to break $1.20? We're going to talk about that. So welcome everyone to the channel. Let me break this down for you so I don't waste too much of your time, because currently you guys can see that maybe $1.06 is current resistance into the market in Ondo. So do you think it's going to be able to break that level and then move to 120, 130? Let's break it down, because currently the market is bullish in Ondo Finance. I mean, we did a price prediction going all the way back here to October 21st, 2024. I was like, yeah, the market looks pretty bullish. Let's anticipate the price to go up. And initially the market didn't do that. It did go down. You guys can see it for yourself that prior to us seeing the market go into our favor, the market did dip and it went to places that we already identified. So the buyers didn't show up in this buyer's pocket here. That's the first failure. But you guys can see that the buyers did show up in Ondo Finance at our second buyer's pocket. I told you all that we can see the market hit there, and that's precisely where we had our ultimate stop loss at, right? So I think this price prediction still went well in our favor. Just hopefully you didn't have a stop loss in this buyer's pocket. You should have had your stop loss a little bit lower than that, so that you can have a little cushion in the event that the market was to bounce off this buyer's pocket. You was able to accumulate the full profit off of this price prediction, which occurred on November 19th, 31.69% right there. All right, cool. Now, the market here in Ondo Finance did succeed in exceeding this seller's pocket, so we can get rid of that. Now we're back to the title of the video. Do you think the buyers will be able to break this seller's pocket right now? Around $1.05. Real quick look at Ondo on the 2. You guys can see that yes, there has been hints and evidence that sellers is in this pocket trying to impact the price movement down in Ondo Finance. Will it continue? Possible. Here it is on the 3. Ondo on the 4. Here is Ondo on the 5. And then on the weekly chart. So we got to be careful. I mean, if you're still going to be bullish into the market, Ondo Finance, Ondo token, you got to see this market get rid of this pocket. And got to get rid of that seller's pocket in order for us to really see price continue to break out to $1.20. It's an ongoing process. You guys can see that that's the current event that is going on in the market right now in Ondo. Okay. So here it is on the monthly chart right now. This has been an immense amount of volume. We haven't seen this much volume in Ondo since it was launched on this exchange, and then it's coming through. So maybe a lot of people bought within the month of November, or maybe a lot of people are selling now. We won't know until the next monthly price bar prints and how it closes. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. Okay, so you can see another thing on the 330-minute chart and take a look at what's happening. What's going on? Yep, the market is making higher lows, which is indicative of people, buyers, trying to absorb all of the selling that is coming into the market right now. So I don't think the market is ready to go up like immediately, because it still has to go through these people trying to sell. Here it is on the 1 hour. Okay. Ondo on the 3. I'm just trying to get a quick look on the hour, on the smaller time frame, to see the market is really primed to break out soon, and it doesn't look like it yet. Okay, so these bars right here on the 5 hour, I don't like these bars right here. This look like the market is running out of steam to try to break out above $1 and a nickel. Okay, here it is on the daily. Ondo on the 2. Here it is on the 3. So let me do this. We're going to go ahead and create some pockets in the market for Ondo first. There's a pocket there. Here's a pocket here. I would say that these would be the two most important buyer's pockets in order for us to see price break above $1 and a nickel to go to $1.20. We need to see that at least. These two pockets hold. Preferably, we would want the closest one to where price currently is at to hold. But in the event that it doesn't, we want to see the second pocket hold in. Okay? Because anything outside of this second buyer's pocket, I mean, we can see Ondo go a lot lower in price. Okay, so I don't like doing this, but I'm going to put on a price prediction looking for the market Ondo to continue to go up. I don't like doing it because we're trading right now at a seller's pocket, which simply means that the market here in Ondo Finance could be impacted in the near term of going lower. Okay, we can definitely see that occur in Ondo Finance. So had to be very cautious as to where this particular market in Ondo wants to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do it though, and we're going to hold our stop loss right there around 79 cents, and then our target is going to be, first we're going to do a very small target around $1 and a nickel, 6.7% there. Then our ultimate target is going to be around $1.23. Okay, so if we don't go higher, I mean, I'm telling you now, the reason would be because of these sellers are a lot more powerful than the buyers are. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.